So we've got the Sociology GCSE exam on Tuesday morning, and there's 3 sections: crime and deviance. And if you look at the board, those are the chunks for the crime and deviance topic, and that's going to be a 6, 9 and 10 mark question in 30 minutes. Power and citizenship, which will be linked with methods. You don't need to know as much about power and citizenship. And the family, which is what you do with Mr. McGuinness. So what I'm going to do first of all, to say if you keep asking me daft questions, is just give you a quick overview of the crime and deviance topic. So first of all, we did about the causes of crime. Now remember, there's lots of different causes of different types of crime, so it's not always the same thing. But the main causes you need to be aware of are things like poverty, unemployment, bad role models, peer pressure, alcohol, drugs. You might be negatively labelled, you might have a dysfunctional family, you might have failed at school. These are the main causes, and the question might say to you, labelling is the main cause of criminal behaviour, evaluate this claim. And then you'd say how labelling can cause it, and then bring in the others. So it's quite easy, the causes of crime. One of the things that catches people out is the deviance is relative question. All that means is what we consider deviant, and deviance, all it means is different to normal. So what we consider deviant depends on the time, place, remember my fish drawing, and situation. And we drew an Asian sitting on a U-chair. Time, place, situation. So let me give you some examples. So for time, for example, boys using cosmetic products. In the past, different time periods used to be considered deviant. Oh no boys, you don't do that. But nowadays, it's normal. For place, we could talk about something like euthanasia, which is deviant in this country, but in other countries like Switzerland, it's okay. And for situation, we could talk about nudity. Now nudity is fine in the bath or the shower, but in the streets, it's absolutely deviant. So all you need to do is go through that model answer that's in the revision booklet and talk about whether or not something is deviant depends on the time, place and situation. A good example of something recently is smoking in public places. That used to be normal and not criminal. However, because the law's changed, it's now deviant, you don't do it, and it's criminal. You might get arrested. Also,